California courts complain parents are too often punished for reporting child abuse and children too often placed back with alleged abusers. Tonight, the story of one mother fighting to protect her children. She says the courts have placed her boys back with an abusive father, and he denies wrongdoing and has not been charged. Here's Gina Silva.
I just want to be with my little brother and my mom.
These two brothers, one 10 years old, the other 4, are afraid.
It's awful.
The boys say they were abused and molested by their father.
I could not even comprehend a parent doing that to their child.
The boy's mother has repeatedly turned to the court for protection. Again and again, the courts place the boys in shared custody with the dad. All of this despite the advice of county investigators.
No one understands that it really happened to me.
The father, listen, I just want to talk to you. Get your son. Why are you running away? Will not talk to us. I just want to talk to you. He has denied the allegations in court and is not charged with any crime.
For them ignoring the evidence right there in front of their face of children being abused, I just don't see how they can live with themselves.
The full record of this case is locked up in the clerk's office, shielded by privacy laws. Court officials cannot talk about it. And even after our own extensive investigation, serious questions remain. Did the court place these kids in harm's way against expert advice?
What do we want? Children protected! When do we want it?
Now!
Concerned parents protested this very issue recently in downtown LA. They say kids are put in jeopardy in hundreds of cases.
We're protesting judges giving children to abusers.
This mom joined the protest, holding a picture of her boys. She says she caught her husband molesting their infant son 3 years ago. She filed for divorce and told the court.
I wanted the court to know that they were in danger.
The dad then claimed that she was abusive. The boys ended up in a foster home.
I didn't even get to see my mom.
During that time, their social worker filed a startling report with the court.
In her report, she reported that the father physically attacked her and threatened her.
The social worker recommended full custody of the boys for the mom and supervised visits for the dad. But instead, the court granted shared custody, no supervision.
The first overnight ended up being a disaster.
Back with their dad, more abuse allegations.
Me and him come back with bruises all over us.
And actually have pictures of his arm with the bruising on it, and it was like a perfect thumbprint.
Social workers again recommended supervised visits for the father. In fact, twice more they urged that, but no change from the court.
We can't move on. We can't heal from it because he's being placed again and again in the same situation.
Then, social workers reported allegations from the younger boy, then 3, that the dad had held him down and sodomized him. They included medical reports on the boy from the emergency room. Sheriff's investigators looked into it, but
the DA did not press charges.
It just hurts me that no one believes me that he's hurt me and he's hurt my little brother.
After that, the court did put the kids with mom and ordered supervised visits for dad. But then he asked for full custody of the younger boy. This is your chance to respond to these allegations. Why would you want to put him through something like that? Before going back to court, the mom told us she was terrified that her son would again be returned to a dangerous situation.
He looks to me for protection.
They're not going to be this age forever. They're going to grow up, and they're going to know that I did everything I could possibly do to protect them.
Gina Silva, Fox 11 News.
And there was a hearing this afternoon to determine who gets custody of the younger boy. Our legal analyst Robin Sachs was in court to try to follow the proceedings, but she was denied access. The hearing has been continued till tomorrow afternoon. We've tried to get some answers from court officials. Also today, asked counsel for the minors to talk to us. None would comment.